Well, thank you very much. The Anioma State issue is one that I am not too comfortable discussing. Historically, certainly it has been something our people have clamored for repeatedly, and understandably so. But I have my reservations, to be honest. Truth be told, I've been the technical committee chairman for the quest for Anioma State. But I've made my position known clearly that I am for Anioma in Anioma, and that means Anioma within the geographical spread of the 9 local governments that constitute Delta North. I have never been supportive of Anioma that transcends the boundary of Delta State, and that remains my position. I wouldn't want to say more so that it wouldn't lead to unnecessary controversy, but let that be known to be my position, which I've harbored for a very long time, and that is known to everybody. It may be personal to me. I'm not speaking as the Asagba of Asaba in that regard, but let it be known that I support Anioma State, but I have my reservations about Anioma that transgresses and pushes to the southeast, as the case may be. And I have my reservations, and I have my reasons for that, but I'm not prepared to go into that debate at this point in time.
You all have heard what the Asagba of Asaba said. He said that on Arise TV. He said that he have made his position clearly that he's for Anioma in Anioma within the 9 local governments that constitutes Delta North. He said that he is never in support for Anioma to transcend the boundary of Delta states. Asagba of Asaba, what did you mean by Anioma in Anioma? The memorandum for the creation of Anioma State that we in the Nasobia Socio-Cultural Organization presented to Senator Ndigbo, in that memorandum we wrote that we want Anioma State to be created, and that we want Ibanke people, Iru people, and other Eka-speaking people in Edo State to be part of Anioma State, and for Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. We in the Nasobia are the ones that proposed for the Igbo-speaking people in Edo States to be joined to the map of Anioma. So, for you to be saying that you want only Anioma for Anioma, that you don't want Anioma State to pass the boundary of Delta North, the 9 local governments, is very bad. Are you now pushing the indigenous Igbos in Edo State away? Are you going to say that you did not see the protest that Ibanke people did the last time, demanding to be part of Anioma State, that they are being marginalized in the Edo States? You just want Anioma State to be only the people in Delta North. This is proof that so many of these kings today, they don't even care about their brothers outside their states. Every people that are supporting Anioma State are demanding for the indigenous Igbos in Edo State to be part of Anioma State. The indigenous Igbos in Edo State are Ika-speaking people. They are our brothers. Make we get Anioma State, make we leave our brothers where they are Edo States. Anioma State must not be only we in Delta North. The indigenous Igbos in Edo State must be part of Anioma State. He said that he supports Anioma State, but that he doesn't want Anioma State to join the southeast. The reason why the Asagba of Asaba said that he don't want Anioma State to join southeast is because he is working with Okowa. Okowa said that he don't want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast. And because of that, every king in Anioma that is working with Okowa, that is a friend to Okowa, kings where he be say, he don't take away them and Okowa, they do things for politics. All those kings are the ones that are saying that they don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. If to say Okowa to say he wants to make Anioma State join Southeast, all those kings for Anioma where they thought say they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast, all of them go to say they want to make Anioma join Southeast. Kings in Anioma land are now playing politics instead of caring for their people. They are now following politicians. The reason why Okowa said that he don't want Anioma State to join Southeast is simply because he wants to use it as a barrier to stop Senator Ndigbo not to actualize Anioma State. And that's because he knows that the stand of Senator Ndigbo is to make sure that Anioma State is being zoned to the Southeast. Okowa is dragging godfatherism with Senator Ndigbo. He knows that if Senator Ndigbo actualizes Anioma State, that Senator Ndigbo will be seen as the father of Anioma State. You know what make it be say for Anioma State, now Senator Ndigbo go dey talk wetin go happen. The last time that same Okowa said that he is an Igbo man. So you are an Igbo man and you don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. Make it to make sense. You say you be Igbo man, you don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. Okowa. We all know the relationship between Ifeanyi Okowa and Asagba of Asaba. That is just the reason why Asagba of Asaba is saying that he don't want Anioma State to join Southeast. Because person where two of them they work together, thought say you know make Anioma State join Southeast. This is politics. Asagba of Asaba, you will be say you be traditional ruler. You are not supposed to be saying all this. Let Anioma State join Southeast. Let Anioma State remain in South. What you Asagba of Asaba is supposed to be saying is that we want Anioma State, whether in the South or in the Southeast. That is what you are supposed to be saying. Asaba is the capital of Delta State. And if to say you want to make Asaba remain the capital of Anioma State, you are not supposed to be taking sides. You are a traditional ruler. Okowa thought say no make Anioma State join Southeast. You follow Okowa, they thought say no make Anioma State join Southeast. King for that matter. The Obi of Abavo Kingdom in Ika land, he said that he wants Anioma State to be created, irrespective of the zone, whether in the South or in the Southeast. That what he wants is for Anioma State to be created. The Obi of Atomaiga, he said the same thing. That he wants Anioma State, whether in the South or in the Southeast. That is what you Asagba of Asaba is supposed to be saying. Asaba is an Igbo speaking community. We Anioma people, we are Igbo speaking people. You have always said that Asaba is of Igala origin. Asaba is not of Igala origin. Asaba is an Igbo speaking community. Before that Igala man impregnated the mother of Nnebisi. Nnebisi was accepted to be king in Asaba. That does not make Asaba an Igala community. Nnebisi did not found Asaba. Asaba have been in existence before Nnebisi came. So stop using all these things as an excuse, Asagba of Asaba. You are a king. A king is not supposed to be playing politics. All you are supposed to be doing is make good thing come, make good thing come. No be to the thought say you know make Anioma State join Southeast, capital city for that matter. And this thing that you are doing now, if we get Anioma State and eventually Anioma State is being zoned to the Southeast, Asaba will not be made the capital of Anioma State. The capital city of Anioma State will never be Asaba. Because this thing that you are doing now, you thought that if we get Anioma State, come zone and go Southeast, Asaba will still remain the capital of Anioma State. It's not possible. If Anioma State is actualized and zoned to the Southeast, Asaba will never be the capital of Anioma State. It's a done deal already. You can't be fighting the interest of Anioma and still want to benefit from it. What is supposed to be the concern of you, Asagba of Asaba now? Make Asaba be the capital of Anioma State. That is supposed to be your concern. Not be South or Southeast. Asaba being the capital of Anioma State is the interest of Asaba people. Stand with it. You follow what they thought say you don't make Anioma State join Southeast. Another reason why the Asagba of Asaba is saying that he don't want Anioma State to join Southeast is because he is using Asaba massacre as a reason for Anioma State not to join Southeast. Now only Asaba people they kill for Biafra war, no. Ukwane people were killed in that Biafra war. Igbo people were killed in that Biafra war. Ika people were killed in that Biafra war. Iwanke people were killed in that Biafra war. Ogbashuku people were killed in that Biafra war. Oshime and Ocha people were killed in that Biafra war. Ishiago people experienced massacre just like Asaba people. In that massacre in Ishiago, the Obi of Ishiago was buried alive in that Ishiago massacre. So stop using Asaba massacre as an excuse. No be only Asaba people they kill for Biafra war. The number of Igbo people that were killed in that Biafra war is 3 million Igbos. Are those 3 million Igbos from Asaba? No. You're only talking about Asaba. If it was the late Asagba of Asaba, you know they do all these things where they do so. All he wants is for Asaba to be better, for it to be better for Anioma people. All you are doing is against the southeast, against the southeast, against the southeast. What in southeast do you? Our royal fathers in this Anioma that have been agitating for the creation of Anioma state since 1938, they want Anioma state to join the southeast. They want to join eastern region. Those royal fathers from Anioma that have been agitating for Anioma state to join eastern region are the Obi of Abo, the Obi of Idumujuboko, the Obi of Iseluku, the Obi of Abo, and many others. They are the ones agitating for Anioma people to join eastern region. Today you come, they fight against waiting that they agitate for. It's as about the ancestry of other Anioma people. We Okwane people, we are of Igbo origin. Ika people are of Igbo origin. Oshimili and Anyocha people are of Igbo origin. Senator Nwoko and Obuzo of Ibuzo. Two of them know they work together. When we, Indian Social Cultural Organization, visited the Obuzo of Ibuzo, we started talking with him about the creation of Anioma State. And he told us all these stories about how Anioma people started agitating for Anioma State to join Southeast since 1938. He talked about how they started agitating for Anioma State again in 1950. After that, he also said that they started the agitation for Anioma State again in 1983. He told us that they want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast, that he wants Anioma State to be in the southeast. The Ugwani of Okpanam said that he wants Anioma State to join southeast. Kaduna Zog is from Okpanam. Even after Igbo nation were killed during that Biafra war, the Ugwani of Okpanam said that he wants Anioma State to join southeast. No be only Asaba people they kill for Biafra war. People from Okpanam were killed also. Asaba is an Igbo speaking community. You are separating Asaba people away from their southeast brothers. You are separating we Okwane people away from our southeast brothers. People will speak the same language, culture and tradition with. You say no, say you want to remain for south-south. What are we Anioma people benefiting in this south-south? Nothing. Asaba is like that today is because of our brothers in the southeast. How many Asaba people get investments for that Asaba? How many hotel where did that Asaba 9 Asaba people get? 70% of the investments in Asaba are owned by our brothers from the southeast. You people are always using Asaba massacre as excuse, IPOB as excuse, insecurity as excuse. Insecurity must come to an end in the southeast. There's insecurity in Anioma here. There's insecurity all over the country. Go to the north. Fulani bandits and terrorists are killing Christians, killing Muslims, killing everyone in the north. Those Fulani bandits and terrorists are killing people in Enugu state. They are killing people in the southeast. They are killing people in the south-south. They are killing people in the southwest. They are killing people in Kwara state. All over the country. Now southeast people they do no. What will Asaba offer Anioma state if Anioma state is being actualized? Nothing. Resources Asaba not get. 1 cup of crude oil Asaba not get. Gold mine Asaba not get. Coal Asaba not get. Is it not that small community Asaba? What is Asaba offering Anioma people in this Delta state? Nothing. Now just capital city. We Ukwane people, we are the ones that are supposed to be saying that we want to join south-south or southeast. Because if Anioma state is being created today, now the resources where they come out from Ukwane land, they will take the power this Anioma state. Where are Ukwane people today? They are nowhere to be found. Nobody from Ukwane, they come and they talk say, we want Anioma state to have its capital city in Ukwane land. None of them they talk. Even if we still get this Anioma state now, Ukwane people will be backward because they're not they talk, they're not they lend their voice. Some elders for Ukwane land, some kings for Ukwane land, then they follow Okowa, they walk, just like Asagba of Asaba, they follow Okowa, they walk. And that's why they see that they come and they tell say they don't want Anioma state to join southeast though. All those who don't want they cool when don't know themselves, when don't know what they want to do for Ukwane land. They go come and they tell say we don't want Anioma state to join southeast. They talk anyhow. Okowa they fight for godfatherism. Una don't know. You follow Okowa they fight wetin go benefit you. Those of you from Anioma that say that you don't want Anioma state to join southeast, ask yourself this question: Why did Okowa say that he is an Igbo man few years ago? Since Okowa said that he's an Igbo man, why is he against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast? Now this question person wey get sense suppose dey ask himself. Ukwane people not sabi play politics. They don't know the motive of that politician that they are following. Most of these politicians from Anioma that are fighting Anioma State zoning to the southeast, there is something that they are benefiting from this our Ukwane land that so many Ukwane people don't know. These people that they enjoy the crude air where they Ukwane land. Those politicians know say if Anioma State join southeast, say they no go fit they exploit Ukwane land, they steal our resources the way that they do am. Ukwane people, now our voice supposed loud pass for the agitation of Anioma State because now our resources they go take they run the state if they actualize them. People for Ekaland will not know how oil well look like. People from Oshimiri and Anyocha will not know how oil well look like. Then they thought say they don't want to make Anioma State join southeast. You Ukwane people be say now they suffer pass for Anioma land, now they suffer pass for Delta State. Nothing una get. Una not get road, una not get water, una not get state university or state poly, no college of education, no road, no light, nothing, no development. Yes, and I say let's remain in the south. South where you dey now, what are you benefiting in that south? What are you benefiting? Okowa thought say, you know what make Anioma State join southeast. You people are supposed to know that he is using this to fight the agitation for Anioma State and the southeast zoning. He dey take and dey fight in the tonight won't go. He's playing politics with your intelligence, but una not know. Ukwane people, we are supposed to be fighting for the interest of Ukwane people, not for the interest of politicians. Asagba of Asaba, they thought say you know what make Anioma State join southeast. If he say some kind of things, there will be controversy. Wait till you want talk where you never talk before. You thought you know make Anioma State join southeast, yes? Which other thing want talk? Where go pass say we were killing the Biafra war, IPOB this, insecurity that. If you don't want to join the southeast, Asagba of Asaba, you are supposed to be agitating for Asaba to leave Nigeria. Say Nigeria don't tell Asaba people. After all part of the country, Fulani bandits and terrorists are killing people. People are dying all over the country. Now southeast they kill them, no. Yet you don't want to join the southeast where we say no, but then they kill people. But you still remain for Nigeria where they say people are dying every day. Asagba of Asaba where be say the capital of Anioma State supposed to be your concern. You are supposed to be saying whether Anioma State is in the southeast or in the south, we don't care, but make Asaba be the capital of Anioma State. That is what you are supposed to be saying. You can't say if we get Anioma State zone to southeast, say Asaba will still be the capital of Anioma State. It's not possible. The capital of Anioma State will be moved out from Asaba. So many kings today are now playing politics. A king is not supposed to be following politician. If you be king, say this politician they campaign for governorship, another politician they campaign for governorship. If this politician come say he need your support to bless and say I bless you to be the governor of Anioma State, bring for us development, give our people job, give our people good life. This is what we want. I am not APC, I am not PDP. If the other candidate come, you tell them the same thing, give you your blessings, so that if anything happen in the future, they're not going to talk say you are the cause. That is why traditional rulers are expected to stay clear from politics. But instead, you they follow Okowa. They follow Okowa. You have never said anything good about Ndigbo. You never talk anything good about Southeast before. King for that matter. This thing you are doing now, you are not bringing respect to yourself. Many people go they look you as now King of Asaba be this. Now they talk like this. The late king not they talk like this. So wait till be this one now. People will be asking such question. I checked the page of Asagba of Asaba when he posted this thing that he said here. So many Ilebinu people were there saying Asagba of Asaba is right. Some Ika people there they say he's right. People will be saying that they suffer. No development in their community, no factory, no industry, nothing. You they follow king where no waiting in they do. You dey in comment section they talk nonsense. I see some of our Ukwane people there they talk rubbish. Mumu set of Ukwane people will not get development for their land. Instead of agitating for Anioma State, make better thing come Ukwane land. You say no, say you want make you remain for south where you done this since 1991 up till today. Ukwane people not get lights, no development. You they say we don't want Ukwane people to join southeast or Zoi. These are the fools we have in Ukwane land. If I dey call this set of Okwane people Ozwa, they go talk say, why you dey call them Ozwa? This thing dey vex me say, even with the suffer where my people dey suffer for Okwane land, many of them no wan get sense. A time will come when the federal government will be demanding to create more states for every region in Nigeria. Say that time na 8 states they won't give every region. Say that 9 states or 10 states they won't give every region. We Okwane people go start to agitate for Okwane states. Make Ika people dey on their own. Make Oshimi and Abacha people dey on their own. Make we know say Okwane state is strictly for Okwane people alone. Make we see how Asaba, Oshimiri and Abacha people go take coexist. Make we see how they go take live without resources for their land. You be Oshimiri, you be Anacha, you be Ika, una not get crude oil for una land. Now una mouth they run past for social media. Hey, we don't want it to be zoned to the southeast. Southeast people want our resources. Is the resources in your land? Oshimiri and Anacha, they don't even know how crude oil look like. Yet you go see some of them online, they don't say, Southeast people, they want Anioma state to join Southeast because of our crude oil. Who can the people get crude oil never talk now, I won't talk. Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. If you are a king in Anioma land and you are against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast because of saying they work with Okowa, know it today that you are bringing Anioma people backward. A king is not supposed to be playing politics. Asagba of Asaba, stop fighting against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. Ishiewale.